Hello, this is Iper Swords, and today we're going to be performing a conservative etch on an antique Ottoman Turkish Pala, a type of infantry variation of the classic Kilij sword. The first step to this procedure is going to be removing any oils that are on the blade using a degreaser. I'm using a commercially available degreaser that's made using kerosene. After you've thoroughly degreased the blade, remove any excess using a tissue, and then wash the blade in a little bit of tap water in order to get rid of any residues that might interfere with our acidic solution. The etchant we are using today is called oxalic acid, and I'm using a saturated solution at around room temperature. Despite being a saturated solution, this is a relatively weak acid and it takes a very long time to have any effect. This gives us a long working time and allows us to ensure we get an even finish. It does, however, take a while, so I've sped this up 10 times. Once you've achieved the desired finish on your blade, wash it, dry it, and prepare it for oiling. The battery on my camera ran out, so I did this off screen. Use a little bit of green jeweler's rouge and a little bit of mineral oil in order to provide a small amount of polish to the highlights on the blade. Once you've done that, protect the whole thing by cleaning it with degreaser and then oiling it using your favorite oil. I'm using a 3-in-1 oil, which is mostly mineral oil. I hope you've enjoyed the video, because that's all I've got for you today. Here are a few photos of what the finished product looks like. This has been IPO Swords. Until next time, stay sharp.